Hello students of class 11, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This video is for class 11 nutrition and the chapter that I will continue today is the carbohydrate. In the previous video we discussed about the classification of the carbohydrate grossly. In this video we are going to learn about the structures of the monosaccharide. There are three kinds of the structures. The one is the structure of straight chain structure. Straight chain. The second one is pyranose or furanose ring, and the third one is Howard's ring structure. Okay, so let's check.
Now we are going to discuss about the structures of the monosaccharides. The first we will discuss about the structure of the glucose. So this is the structure of glucose. Here you can see that it is a 6-member compound and it is the straight chain structure of glucose. The glucose is the most common example of this group. It is the most abundant carbohydrate present in nature. It is also known as dextrose, grape sugar or corn sugar. It is an aldose sugar possessing an aldehyde group at C1 and hydroxyl groups on all the 5 carbon atoms. Glucose is a reducing sugar. Here you can see there are 6 members ring, a 6-member straight chain structure. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. 6-member with the first carbon, one aldehyde group has been attached like CHO, and for other 5 members it have hydroxyl ion attached with it. Okay, and in the last carbon it is CH2OH. It is known as the straight chain structure of glucose. Now we are going to discuss about pyranose ring structure. It is the pyranose ring structure of glucose. Here you can see that one ring has been produced with the first carbon and the 5th carbon by the oxygen. With the help of the oxygen, with the first carbon and the 5th carbon, this ring has been produced. It is called the pyranose ring structure of glucose. It is obviously a 6-membered ring. Further going with the next structure, that is called the Howard's ring structure. Here it is the Howard's ring structure that you can see it is all over a circular like structure. Here it is a 6-member ring and the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth and sixth carbon are present here, and they are hanging with this carbon joints. Okay, and it is already made by the oxygen atom. It is called the Howard ring structure of glucose. It is the end product of the carbohydrate digestion in our body. Okay, and glucose is the simpler structure of all of the monosaccharides. Now we are going forward with the fructose structure. So it is the fructose structure. Here you can see that the 6 carbon chain, here it is the first, it is the second, it is the third, it is fourth, it is fifth and 6th carbon. Okay, 6 members are attached in here. Okay, so next you can see what is the differences between the glucose and the fructose structure. For the glucose structure, you saw that with the first carbon, one aldehyde group has been attached. But here, for the fructose structure, you can see that the ketone group has been attached on the second carbon, that is C double bond O. It is the ketone group. And for the other carbons, our OH are attached. So fructose is another common monosaccharide having the same general formula as glucose, but it is ketohexose. That is, it contains a ketone functional group and possesses 6 carbon atoms. It is abundantly present in fruits, and so also it's referred as a fruit sugar. So let's going forward with a furanose ring structure of the fructose. So why it is called the furanose ring structure? Because here you can see that the ring is produced with the fifth member, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 5 members are attached, these 4 members are attached with it, and it mainly a fifth membered ring. Okay, so this ring is produced with the help of oxygen and attached with the third and the sixth carbon, you can see. So it is called the furanose ring structure of fructose. Next, going forward with the Howard's ring structure of fructose. Here you can see that it is also Howard's ring structure. The 5-membered ring has been produced. Usually, first we have to make the pyranose ring or furanose ring structure from the straight chain structure. Only then we can make the Howard's ring structure in each case. Here you can see that that the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth and sixth carbon, that means 6 members are present, but the ring has been produced only by 5 members. That is why it is called furanose ring, and it is the all over Howard's ring structure, obviously made by the oxygen. Okay, and you can see that CH2OH, OH and OH, HOH and CH2OH, H. These bonds are hanging with the help of carbon atoms. These are obviously the 3D structures, but as we have to write it on the 2D form, so we are representing it in this manner.
So I'm completing with this video with the structures of only glucose and fructose. In the next video, we are going to learn about the structure of galactose. Till then, thank you.